Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am here today to do a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. And before we get started, I do want to welcome all of my first time viewers. Thank you for coming by and checking out my channel. Also, if you haven't done so at this point, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos. And while I'm here welcoming everyone, I want to give a special shout out to two young ladies today, Luann Lee and Mary M. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate you guys, and thank you for dropping me some comments in my comments box. And if you want to be mentioned in one of my future videos and you're new, make sure you just drop a purple heart down in that comment box so I know that you are new to the channel. And for all of my old heads, I'm not gonna forget about you all. Make sure you give me a big old thumbs up and I might give you a shout out too. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into this week's plan with me. All right, before we begin, you guys know I like to show you the after the pin. Last week I replicated my vertical spread like I did the week before, and I really enjoyed it. This week in this spread I used some leftover stickers that came from Tra La La stickers, and I really like that. These were horizontal, Eric Condren horizontal stickers, so they're smaller, which gives you a lot more space to write in the boxes if you wanted to write on some of this. It's not really technically white space, but white space. But this week I'm going to go back to basics, and I will be using this super cute kit from Sweet Caress Designs. This kit is so adorable. I purchased this during a $2 Tuesday sale a while back, and I cannot wait to use it. Since we're about to fall into fall, I figured I'll try to use some of my summery kits before, yeah, those leaves start falling. So let's go ahead and get into this week's plan with me for the week of August the 19th through the 25th. All right, so I'm doing something a little bit different today. I am doing a warp speed plan with me. So what I'm doing is laying my date strip. I've already put the date dots. Now I'm adding the bottom and the top washi because that's just what you do. And this tracker sticker along with this cute emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. to track my workouts. Now what I do on the right side of the spread is create my list for things that I need to do for this week and next week. And on the left side, I'm just adding these boxes kind of for an aesthetic look, along with these checklist stickers. So now I'm just doing my normal and adding some outlines to these boxes because that's what I do. And I'm adding these flags and stars to kind of create as my little checklist for those sections. And then just adding some more lines because it's just what I do. So now this box strip that I added is where I will put important things for each day. And throughout here I'm just taking these extra stickers because I wanted to try to use up as many stickers in the kit as possible. So you see I just put my little Kiki bean that was a custom made from the Coffee Monster Co. along with these custom script stickers that I made and that cute bit sticker to represent that we have ministry on Tuesday. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up so I can go ahead and add in the pin for this week. All right, love, so I am finished my spread and my Hobonichi weeks for the week of September, for the week of August the 26th through September the 1st. I'm so off of my dates. Like in the beginning, I think I said that I was planning for August the 19th through the 25th, in which obviously we're not. And I just think that just because the time is moving so fast, I'm just like obviously a week behind in my mind. But anyway, Here we are. This is the last full week of August. I'm really excited to get to writing down my plans. And as you guys know, I've been making some changes in my lineup and things like that. So I do want to do an official kind of like end of the year. Well, it's not really end of the year, but just to show you the planners that I'll be using for the remainder of the year. So look out sometime maybe the first or second week of September for a planner lineup revamp video, because I have made a lot of changes since January 1. But this Hobonichi is here to stay. I will definitely be getting another one of these next year when I run out of this one. I think this is good through March. Let's see. Yeah, this is good through March. So I'll be probably ordering one of these soon because March will be here before you know it, guys. So anyway, so I hope you like this week's spread and my Hobonichi weeks. Like I said, I went back to basics. The last 2 weeks I did vertical setup, and which I love being able to do some different things in there, but I still like kind of just the basics, how this is. So if you have any questions about the setup, about anything that I use, make sure you drop a comment below. And as well, if you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. And as well, if you haven't already done so at this point, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will never miss any of my videos. So if this video has inspired you, do me a big favor and share it with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace.